Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, I won't be making my lip gloss with Versagel today. I will be using something different. Out of curiosity, I decided to Google the ingredients in Versagel and this is what I came up with. So I won't be saying where I got these items from, but I can tell you what it's made of. This one says jojoba gel, and it is for lip gloss, lipsticks, creams, and lotions. It says all kinds of creams, lotions, cleansers, hair creams, makeup foundations, lip care products, massage oils. So here it is. Oops. I don't know if you guys can see that. And the other one is polyisobutene, however you say it. And this is the ingredients. It says hydrating and cleansing creams, color cosmetics such as lipsticks and lip gloss, deodorants, sunscreen products, creams for blemished and impure skin, baby care products, hair relaxers, shaving gel. So this is it. And this one was $13 and it is a full ounce jar. It is a lot of money, but I'm just experimenting. And this one was $20. This is what it looks like on the inside. It has a little color, but it has no odor. That is that, and as you can tell, it doesn't like spill anything, but it is gel. So this one is the 4 ounce jar, and it is clear. It looks a little sticky, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, this one could spill, so I'm not gonna do too much. And I also purchased their pigment. And this was what? I think it was $8 or $9. But it's not the color I expected it to be. They are pretty expensive, but who knows what will come out of this. So it looks more of a lavender color and not a pink, but I'm gonna test it out. So right now I'm gonna take the gel. I'm only using 1 spoon. It's super thick. And now I'm gonna use the polyisobutene. And I'll take 2 spoons of that as well. They both are super thick. And after I put the gel in there, it wasn't no color, but it do have an off-white color in the jar. Do another spoon. So now I'm going to add some grapeseed oil. Gel. Some coconut oil. I'm gonna mix that up. So now I'm adding the pigment. And I'm not gonna be adding too much. Oh, I can. I should have mixed this before I put it in the oils, but it's okay. That's kind of a lot, but it's whatever. Now you just mix it up. This is why you want to mix your pigment and oils before putting it in the gels, because you will be mixing forever. It's a good thing I'm not making these to sell, so. I'm not gonna hold y'all, I hate this color. It says pink on the thing though. It says ultramarine. I don't know if it is where it is, but it says pink. So, and it came out purple. It feels the same. It feels pretty much the same. So I'm guessing I was right. I didn't mix it properly just in case you see particles on there. But it's just as shiny as Versagel, and yeah. Alright, so this time I'm going to take the pigment from TKB that I just bought. And this time I'm going to mix it in the oils first. So after that, I'm going to take the polyisobutene. And then the gel. Now we're gonna mix it. I feel like these make my lips glossier than the actual Versagel, but I don't know. And this is kind of blurry too. Focus. There you go. It came out clear because I didn't put a lot of pigment. And it's kind of liquidy. It's not thick. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.